Hey guys, what's up? In this video I wanted to show you a brand new method on how you can jailbreak your iPad or iOS device. It doesn't matter which version of iOS you are running, this is working with any version and it does not require any cords connected to your computer or any of that complicated stuff. So let me show you currently my iOS version. It is 12.2 and I'll jailbreak my device in just a couple of minutes. Open up your browser and go to jailbreak now.club. Once you're on the website, press verify compatibility. Don't worry, this is compatible with all versions of iOS. Choose your Apple device, mine is 6S, and here choose your current iOS version that you are running. I'll choose iOS 12.2 and press verify compatibility. As you can see, it is verifying the device right now. And now press jailbreak. The jailbreak process has just started. And we have to complete a verification. Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step on how you can complete it. All you have to do is download and open two apps for around 30 seconds. This is to prevent bots from abusing the site and selling the jailbreak software on the internet. As the first step, I chose Hotspot Shield VPN. The VPN apps are usually easier to do, but in reality all apps are very easy to complete. Okay, now let's open the app and follow my steps. We have to connect to the VPN, of course, for around 30 seconds. Then we'll download and open a second app again for 30 seconds to make sure that the verification will be successful. As you can see, the process is very simple. It does not require more than a few minutes of your time to jailbreak any device. Let's close this app. And now choose the second app. Your apps might be different, but it doesn't matter, guys. As long as you follow my steps and download and open two apps for around 30 seconds, you won't have any problems completing the verification. Okay, let's interact with the app, use it. A few more seconds, then we'll restart our device for the jailbreak process to be complete. Okay, that's enough. Let's close this device and restart it. Now let's check if the device is jailbroken. And yes, looks like Cydia has just appeared. It's been installed. My device is now jailbroken. Okay, I hope you enjoy this tutorial, guys. Have a good day. Take care.